How to create a successful YouTube channel, tips and tricks for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks for creating a successful YouTube channel, especially if you're a beginner. Whether you want to grow your audience, monetize your content, or just have fun sharing your passion with the world, this video is for you. Let's get started. Tip number 1, define your niche and brand. The first step to creating a successful YouTube channel is to define your niche and brand. What topics or themes are you passionate about? What value can you provide to your audience? What sets you apart from other YouTubers? These are important questions to answer, as they will guide your content creation and help you attract and retain subscribers. Make sure to choose a niche that you're knowledgeable and enthusiastic about, and that aligns with your personal or professional goals. Tip number 2, plan and produce quality content. The second tip is to plan and produce quality content that resonates with your audience. This means researching your topic, brainstorming ideas, outlining your videos, and investing in good equipment and software. It also means being consistent and authentic in your delivery, and engaging with your viewers through comments, polls, and collaborations. Remember that your content is the main reason why people will subscribe to your channel, so make it informative, entertaining, and visually appealing. Tip number 3, optimize your channel and videos. The third tip is to optimize your channel and videos for search and discovery. This means using keywords, tags, descriptions, and titles that are relevant to your niche and audience. It also means creating eye-catching thumbnails, adding end screens and annotations, and using captions and subtitles for accessibility. By optimizing your content, you'll increase your visibility, reach, and engagement, and attract new viewers who are interested in your niche. Tip number 4, promote your channel and collaborate with others. The fourth tip is to promote your channel and collaborate with others to expand your reach and influence. This means using social media, email newsletters, and other channels to promote your videos and engage with your audience. It also means reaching out to other YouTubers and influencers in your niche, and collaborating on projects, shoutouts, or sponsored content. By networking and building relationships with other creators, you'll gain exposure, credibility, and inspiration for your own channel. Tip number 5, monetize your content and build a business. The fifth and final tip is to monetize your content and build a business around your channel. This means using various monetization methods, such as ads, sponsorships, merchandise, memberships, and courses, to generate income from your audience. It also means building a brand and reputation that can lead to other opportunities, such as speaking engagements, book deals, or consulting gigs. By treating your YouTube channel as a business, you'll have more motivation, direction, and reward for your hard work and dedication. Conclusion. So those are my tips and tricks for creating a successful YouTube channel. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced YouTuber, these strategies can help you achieve your goals and make the most of your channel. Remember to be patient, persistent, and passionate about your niche, and to always prioritize your audience's needs and interests. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.